Good morning students. In this lecture I am going to explain you some quadratic equations which are in first view not looking as quadratic equation, but some equations are there which are reducible to quadratic equation. So equation reducible to quadratic equation. Okay, here there are different forms. So first form is that some of the equations are types a power x power 2n plus b x power n plus c is equal to 0 form, where a is not equal to 0, If you are given an equation of this type, then what will you do? You can write, then put x power n is equal to y or any other function. So now see what will be the type of this equation. It implies that above equation will reduce to, if x power n, you can write it as x power n whole square plus b x power n plus c is equal to 0. So now putting at the place of x power n as y, you will get as a y square plus by plus c is equal to 0. So see, this is the equation which is quadratic in y. Okay, so now you can solve this quadratic equation by using your quadratic solution, like y is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a formula. By using this formula you can solve this equation, and later you can put the value of y is equal to x power n, you have already taken. Got this point? For example, if you have an equation like ax power 4 plus bx square plus c is equal to 0, then how will you solve it? Just now you can write it as x square whole square plus bx square plus c is equal to 0. Now let x square is equal to y. So your equation will reduce like ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now we can solve this by in terms of y, and thereafter by putting y is equal to x square we can find the solution. Okay. Now another form which can be reduced to a quadratic equation. Second form is that here second form is a into z plus b by z. A into z plus b by z is equal to c form, where a, b, c are constants. A, b, c are what? Constants. These all are constants. So how will you solve it? Simply by taking LCM. First of all, here a z square plus b is equal to c. It implies that a z square plus b is equal to cz. It implies that a z square minus cz plus b is equal to 0. Now see, comparing this equation with a what z square plus bz plus c is equal to 0 by taking capital letters of a standard quadratic equation. If you take small a, small b, small c, there may be some confusion. Since here a, b, c are already given, so here capital A is equal to small a, capital B is equal to minus c, capital C is equal to b. Now putting for the solution of it, we can put minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Since we have a quadratic equation in terms of capital A, capital B, capital C, so at the place of small a, b, c, you can put capital A, B, C here in the solution, and comparing this differential this quadratic equation with the standard one, we can put the values and solve it. Okay. Now the third form. Third different form of the equation which can be reducible to the quadratic equation as x plus a into x plus b into x plus c into x plus d is equal to 0. X plus a, x plus b, x plus c and x plus d and plus k, some other constant suppose, plus k is equal to 0. Then how will you reduce this one in a quadratic equation? So now method is that when the sum of two of the quantities a, b, c, d is equal to sum of the other two, out of these a, b, c and d, if sum of any two, sum of suppose b and c is equal to sum of a and d, then just take a and d along with this, then take a and this term together and this term together. Okay, thereafter some common thing you will get and put that thing is equal to y or z something. For example, there is a question x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Suppose you have a equation like this. So see here 2 and 3 5, here 4 and 1 5. So take this x plus 1 and x plus 4 together in one bracket and here x plus 2 and x plus 3 in another bracket and separately solve them. See, x square plus 4x plus x, 5x and plus 4 in one bracket. In another bracket what you will get? Here x square, again you will get 5x plus 6, here plus 1 is equal to 0. Now see, x square plus 5x, x square plus 5x. So let, in such type of question, let x square plus 5x is equal to y. Now if you will put y here, you will get y plus 4 into y plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 0. Is it so? Now solving this, what you get? Y square plus 6y plus 4y plus 10y plus 24 and plus 1 is equal to 0. Now from here what you get? Y square plus 10y plus 25 is equal to 0. Can you solve this quadratic equation? Of course you can, by using standard quadratic equation comparing ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a is 1, b is 10, c is 25. Okay, how will you solve? Here y is equal to, you can solve by using y is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square 100 minus 4ac, 4 into a into 25, what, 100 upon 2a, a is 1, 2. So minus 10 upon 2 plus minus 0, this is 0. So this will give you minus 5. Y is minus 5. Y is what? Minus 5. So the value of y is minus 5. You can put, since you have already taken as x square plus 5x is equal to y. Therefore, here you can put x square plus 5x is equal to minus 5, hence x square plus 5x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now you can solve this again. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, okay, upon 2a. This implies minus 5 plus minus under root 5 upon 2. This is the value of x. In this way you can solve all other questions from exercise 10th B. Okay. In next lecture I will explain you about the nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Thank you so much.